What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be diving into my fall streetwear must-haves and basically everything that's new in my closet that I have been loving for this season. This video, I actually did a version of it earlier in the year and it's the most viewed video that I have on my channel. So definitely I had to make another one going into the new season. I am so excited for fall. If you follow me over on Instagram, you know that fall fashion and like sweaters and hoodies is definitely my forte. So I'm really excited to share with you guys what I've picked up. There's a lot of different things from accessories to shoes to clothes, so I'm going to show you all of it. I think everything that's in this video will be able to be linked for you guys. If it's something that's vintage or sold out, I will definitely get similar items so that you guys can still shop the looks. Also, I do have a little bit of a cold, so that's why I sound a little stuffed up, but I was determined to still film this video for you guys because it's the start of fall and it's the perfect time for you guys to have this video to reference for your shopping. So I definitely wanted to get it done even though I'm a little bit sick. But with that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so we are going to start strong with shoes, probably my favorite category, as you guys know. And I am so excited for this pair of sneakers. I actually picked up some Adidas, and it's so crazy because for the last couple of years, I swear I only wore Nike shoes. And this new trend of Adidas sneakers I've been loving. So I had to grab a pair, and that is the Samba sneakers. I literally love these for fall. It's so funny that this trend popped up because I used to literally wear a version of these when I played indoor soccer when I was younger. So when this trend came up, I was like, I definitely love that because I used to wear these and it's kind of fun. But I did get a different version than what a lot of people are wearing right now. Most people have the Samba sneakers that have a thinner sole, but I wanted something with a platform. So these are the Samba Rosa. I think that's what they're called. Let me double check. Ooh. Yeah, Samba Rose. So these ones do have a thicker platform, which I love on a sneaker. I love the color scheme of these too, the black with the brown sole. So cute for fall. I picture wearing these with literally anything. You could wear these with jeans, with cargos. I even have some plans to wear like a cargo skirt with this, or even the new Skims dress that I got with like a puffer coat. So there's a ton of ways you can wear these, but super excited for these. I got these from StockX. Crazy story though, I did buy these like a few months ago, and when they were sent to the StockX warehouse to be authenticated or to see if they were authentic, they were fake. So I got a refund and then I reordered them, and then these ones I guess were authentic, so I got a pair. But that's where I got these, from StockX. I couldn't find them online, the Adidas site, so I will have the StockX link for you guys below. But yeah, super cute. All right, next up is a pair of Uggs. And yes, I did get the new platform Uggs that Bella Hadid was seen wearing, and ever since she was spotted wearing them, like literally everyone went crazy. Because to be honest, I didn't really get on the Ugg trend last year, but then when these ones came out with the platform sole, I felt like they were way more me. So I got the mini version. The super ultra mini ones were sold out. I was too impatient to wait for them to come back in stock, and I actually don't mind just the regular minis. So these are a little easier to find than the ultra minis, just a little hack. And I was really torn between the chestnut brown and the black, but I feel like black just is gonna go more with my style. So I did grab these and they are so comfortable. I literally just got them last night, so I'm excited to wear these and break them out in the winter as well. But I just love the look of this platform. I think it's way more my style than like the normal platform ones. And yeah, I just think this trend is really cute. So you could definitely wear these with like a baggy jean or a baggy cargo pant. I think that's how you could wear these a little bit more streetwear with like a varsity jacket or a puffer coat, and I think that would be super cute. Okay, next pair of shoes are definitely more of a treat to myself. I had been eyeing these sneakers for a while now, and I hit a couple milestones with my work, so I was like, I'm gonna treat myself to these sneakers, and that is the Balenciaga track sneakers. And when they came out with the Triple S sneakers, I remember like every influencer and like fashion blogger was wearing them, and I just couldn't afford them. Like I remember I wanted them so badly, and yeah, I just kind of like obviously couldn't buy them at the time. And I told myself if I ever were to reach a certain milestone, I would grab a pair. And yeah, so these were definitely like a little bit of a treat to myself, and I love them so much. I've been wearing them more when I want kind of like a dinner sneaker. I feel like I'm not the kind of girl to wear like a heel to dinner, and so when I'm going to like a nicer restaurant, I throw these on with a leather pant or a blazer, and it definitely just elevates the look. But yeah, super excited about these, and I am glad that I have already gotten so much use out of them. All right, so moving into accessories, I had to show you guys these new sunglasses that I am obsessed with, and these are from Amazon. I saw someone post these like a few months ago, and I grabbed the silver pair like probably, yeah, 3 months ago for summer, but I feel like they are also so great for fall, and they were literally like 15 bucks, I think. So I got this color, and I recently just picked up the black version of these as well, and I'm just really obsessed with the shape. They're basically a Balenciaga dupe, and I love them so much. They look really cool on as well, and the price is great. So yeah, definitely recommend heading over to Amazon and grabbing these, because sometimes they're sold out, but lately I have been seeing them in stock, and I'm pretty sure they're on Prime as well. So I got them in like a couple days, and the quality is pretty good for the price. Just a really cool trend that's going on right now with these types of glasses. Some people don't love them. They definitely do look like something you could get at a convenience store, like a gas station, but that's kind of the point. People love to say that in the comments, like, these look like glasses from a gas station. Like, yeah, that is actually the point of them. So that is the aesthetic, and I am here for it. Okay, next up is a bag, and I picked up this Telfar bag from a consignment store here in Toronto. And a consignment store is basically a store that resells handbags that are used. So I saw this and it was on sale, and it still had the tags on it, so whoever sold it to the consignment store just like didn't want it and had the full tags. And a note about these are more of an affordable designer bag. They retail for around $100. So if you're looking for a more affordable designer bag, I would definitely recommend a Telfar. They're a little hard to find online because they sell out so fast on the Telfar site, but you can definitely find them used, and there's tons of sites depending on where you live that you can check online. So just type in Telfar mini shopping bag, and I'm sure you will be able to find a used one, and they come in every color. I personally just wanted to get a white bag because I have so many black bags, and I wanted something that still goes with everything and is a classic piece for the fall, but is a little different than something that I have. So really excited about this, and it's kind of the perfect everyday bag. So I'm really excited to style more looks with this in the fall. Okay, next up in the fall accessories category, I picked up this new Prada Terry bag, and I have been eyeing this bag for a year now, and it was sold out for the longest time, and you couldn't get it online, you couldn't find it in store. I checked everywhere, and then it turned into summer, and I was like, it's not really a summer bag. So it actually finally restocked on the Prada site, and there was one left at the nearby store downtown here, so I grabbed it, and I'm really excited about it. It's the perfect fall bag. It just has this kind of like fuzzy material, and I love just a shoulder bag. They're so easy just to throw on, and it actually fits everything. So super excited for this. It comes in other colors too. There's a white and I think like a pink or a yellow bag. So if you are looking to splurge on a luxury piece, definitely recommend. It's super cute, and I feel like it'll be a classic item that won't ever really go out of style. So yeah. All right guys, so moving into the next category, which is jackets. I have picked up a few jackets for the fall, one being a North Face puffer coat, and last year I did get one, but it was a vintage one, and it was a double XL, so it was just a little too big. So now Mitch wears it, but this one actually fits me. So I got a men's small, and this is the Nuptse jacket. I'll have it linked below. The Nuptse 700, I believe it's called. But yeah, so I got a men's small, and it actually fits perfectly oversized, but not too oversized. So it's a staple. These have been in style for years, so it's definitely a little bit of an investment, but it is such a classic piece, and I am so happy I finally got one because I've been sitting on getting one for the past couple of years now. So yeah, really excited about this one. Next item I have been loving in the jackets category for fall are varsity jackets. Every year they come back around and I'm like, I still love them. I don't even know if they're still on trend, but they are in my books. And I love this pop of green on this one. And this one's more of a bomber jacket style, which I love. So it's a little bit more cropped. And I got this on Boohoo Man. They have so many varsity jackets. If you're looking for graphic varsity jackets, graphic tees, graphic sweaters, I get most of them on Boohoo Man and they're a little more affordable. So definitely live for a varsity jacket this fall. And specifically this one I've just been really loving. Next up in the jackets category is this vintage denier leather jacket. It's more of a bomber style. It's very Hailey Bieber inspired. I literally got this for $24.99 and it's a men's jacket and I just got it at Value Village. And honestly, if you go to your nearby thrift store, they probably will have a version of this. So just go check in the men's section and I'm sure they will have one. So I just wanted one that fit oversized for fall. You can layer this over so many different things and it looks really cute. Such a great classic addition to your wardrobe for this fall. Next up is this button-down leather jacket. I've just been really loving leather for this fall season and it's more of like a shirt jacket type thing, but I've posted this a few times on my story and you guys seem to really love it. And I got this from Guess in a size large. So I sized up so it was a little more oversized. I'd love to throw this on over just a sweater, or you could throw it on over a knit turtleneck of some kind, but really cute. Just a different style than a bomber jacket and even great for dinner, kind of like a blazer vibe, but just a bit different. So this has been a staple for me already this fall. Okay, moving into sweaters, I wanted to show you guys the sweater I am wearing right now. I live for a graphic hoodie, and this one I got from Boohoo Man as well. I love the print of it, and I'm pretty sure I sized up to a large or medium. And I just love a good hoodie for the fall. You really can't go wrong. And you could easily throw over a puffer jacket with this, or even like a puffer vest, and it's instantly a very street style look. But this one I've literally been living in for sure. I also love a good fuzzy sweater as well. This is also from Boohoo Man. I swear this isn't sponsored by them, but I just get a lot of things from them because I work with them on Instagram. But for real, I love all of their stuff. And it's like a full zip sweater, but anything with this material I just feel is so cozy and warm for the fall and looks really cute as well. So I really loved this brown color as well. I'll have it linked below. This one is a size medium. This one was in their tall section, so it was already a little bit more oversized. But anything of this material definitely can't go wrong in the fall season. Okay guys, moving into pants. And you know me and my cargo pants, I've picked up quite a few different cargo pants for the fall. This style is probably my absolute favorite. If you go to my Instagram feed, I'm literally wearing this style in every other photo, I swear. This and a black pair I have, and I'll have it linked below for you guys. I wear a size US 2 and they fit literally perfectly. I've tried so many cargo pants and this style for sure is my favorite by far. So I will definitely have it linked below. Another cargo pant, carpenter pant style that I've been wearing are these Guess ones. And these ones are really cool because they have this kind of seam on the back, this white seam, which I love. And I love a good leather pant. I've just really struggled to find one that fits really well, and this pair actually fits perfectly around the waist. I'm wearing a size 25 in these, but still being baggy on the bottom. So they're the perfect kind of baggy but still fitted pant, if that makes sense at all. But I love these. I don't know if I mentioned, but they are from Guess as well, the same place I got the button down. So really, really cute. If you guys are looking for more cargo pants, if you go to my Instagram and tap the link in my bio, I have a shop my feed section and I have a whole category of cargo pants there linked, as well as jackets. Like I link everything on there. So if you're ever looking for more items beyond what I have here, I have literally so many items linked over in my bio on Instagram. Okay, last up in the pants category are baggy dress pants. I got these from Value Village over the weekend in the men's section as well. And I really wanted just some more dressier type pants, especially for our upcoming trip to Paris. I feel like these will look really great with just like a sweater or a puffer jacket, or I say everything goes with the puffer jacket, but in the fall it really does. So I got this pair. It's kind of hard to see, but it has some pinstripes on the pant and they're the perfect baggy fit as well. So I'm really excited to style these. I found this other pair. It's more of a gray pair and they're a different material. These are more of a casual feel and the other one is more of a dressy pant. So I love this style though for fall. Typically this is a little more dressy for my style, but I feel like you could totally make this street style for sure. Even if you wore it with a puffer jacket or some kind of varsity jacket or an oversized hoodie and some sneakers, it's instantly a really cool streetwear look that's still like laid back and not too dressy. So I'm excited to put some outfits with these because I haven't really styled any yet, but they're definitely on my list of streetwear must-haves for this season. All right guys, that is the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope it gave you guys some inspiration on maybe some pieces to look out for this season. I love making these sit down videos, so if you guys enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. I'm hoping to weave in the fashion videos with the vlogs as well because I love making the vlogs. Gives you guys a little bit more of an insight into my life. And if you haven't checked those out, make sure to check them out below. Comment down below what you are most excited to wear this fall season. I would love to hear because I literally live for fall style. And I will see you guys for the next video. Bye guys.